1. Action.
Right, it's not working. There's no picture.
2, 1, and action. Hello, I'm sweetheart Maisy. Let me show you around my house. So we're starting upstairs because we're upstairs. This is the bathroom. Okay. And this is my...
I can't go far, I'm on a wire.
And this is my brother's bedroom.
You got a message for Louis when he's a big boy?
Good luck if you're naughty. And this is my mum and dad's room. And then there's my sister, she might be in there. Say hi to the camera, Hall. If you can come. Say hi to the camera. That's my sister. And my... Hey.
Got a message for Louis when he's older? It's like, hello Charlie. Oh, good luck Charlie even.
Oh my jeez. Maisy got you dressed in my bridesmaid's dress yesterday. Haha, you can kill her for that. And a message for you, Louis. Kill Holly.
There you go, that's not nice.
Okay, now go in here. This is my beautiful room. It's a bit messy, but and that's